gift from him?
What is it, Katie Jo?
Goodness. Can you pull that right there? Can you pull that? Good girl.
Look how
Look,
pretty.
one more time. Good girl. That just came right off there.
It says Katie Jo.
Katie Jo.
Did you see the postcard?
Forest Academy. No, just first. Alright, now. I want you to take this and there. Grab it. Grab it. Grab that.
What's in there? Pull it out.
Tear it. What did you get? What did you get, Katie Jo? What is that? What is it?
What is it?
What is it? It's a
Oh, how
little
cute.
German bear.
It's a little forest
I think it plays
bear.
music. It yodels. Can you give it a hug?
Give us some kisses.
Give it a kiss. Get down, hug.
How do you make it play again?
What is that?
Teddy bear, can you give him a kiss?
Oh, say thank you.
Can you say
Thank you.
Katie Jo, look at me. Katie Jo, can you say thank you?
Say thank you. Can you say thank you? Katie Jo, can you say thank you? Huh? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
What is that? It's a yodel bird.